Whenever you make any component in 3D printing, there must be requirement of support. Here in this diagram you can see, if you want to make this one, you have to give support at his mouth, because if the inclination is more than 30 degree or 45 degree, it is impossible, it will hang around. Support removal is the first technique employed for post-processing of FDM 3D printed parts or metal 3D printed parts. In every additive manufacturing process, the first thing is to remove the support. Now, support removal usually leaves some marks on the touch points, but these can be post-processed further for a smoother finish. So here we can see that when you remove the support, there may be some touch points, there will be some scratches. So this is not the final post-processing process, but this is a first post-processing process where you will remove the port structures. Now the scratches which are on the component will be removed by our next process in post-processing method. If you want to learn 3D printing from design to finished product, you can join the full course. This course consists 50 plus video lectures, and the course is divided in so many modules. You can check the detailed information in description box. In this course, along with video lectures, you will get quizzes, assignments and notes. After the completion of the course, you will get authorized certificate which can be useful for your academic or job interviews. So click to the link present in description box and start your 3D printing journey now.